Dear student, welcome to my class. Today we are going to see Sanskrit paper style along with the previous question paper and how you have to write the answer in the answer book that I am going to teach you by taking one question. Okay, so you please listen to the video carefully because many time you are making mistake in writing the answer. This also again I am going to say you this will be the as a annual exam paper, so it is of 80 mark. You are going to get 3 hours for completing it, and here also section wise is there. Please student try to understand that section wise paper you have to write means you have to write with a section wise. There is no any other alternative is there that you can write in any way. Again and again if we are going to explain you, but though many of you are making mistake and doing or writing all the sections togetherly. Section wise paper means where if one section is going to over, you have to begin next section with a new page, and all the answer of that particular section should be there in that section only. You are not supposed to write answer of section A in the place of where you are writing section B answer. Many of you are sometime if you are just remembering the answer and try to write down, then you are not going to see that where you are writing. Okay, so please be very careful while writing the paper. When you start writing, sit. Before that, you please drink the water because most probably this happened that you have to write a paper online. So when you are going to get the paper, drink water properly, then sit at place, take all the material togetherly, and then until you complete the paper, don't stand. Okay. Now here we are going to start discussing the paper style along with the question paper. The paper style will be same as it is here. Now first is section A. अधोलिखितानां शब्दानाम् अर्थ दत्ताभ्यां विकल्पेभ्यां चित्वा लिखत. Means give or write the meaning of the following words from the given option. 4 questions are there, 4 mark, easy one. Meaning are there. And as your first language is English, so you have to write meaning in English. Okay. Here it is in Gujarati and English because in INEX many schools are there who are of Gujarati medium. So for them also the question will be the same. So here in both language the meanings are given. Nidhana means khajano or Agni. Nidhana means khajano or Agni. Now what is meaning of Nidhana? Treasure or fire? Yeah, treasure. Okay. So you have to write section A, first one, Nidhana. If you are going to write question. Nidhana. In front of it, write treasure. Or only answer if you want to write direct one, treasure. Number 2, that is achara. Now achar means pickle or behavior. Yes, behavior. Then write to behavior. Okay, don't give me option. Many of you are writing both things. From this both option, you have to select one, which is the answer. Okay, so in this way, you have to write answer from 1 to 4. Then question number 5 is, or next question is, Adho Dattasya Sanskrit Shabdasya Samanarthak Shabdam. Means synonym we have to write. Now Vihag synonym is Khaga. Then write Vihag in front of it Khaga. Then next is Virudharthak Shabdam Chidnuta, means you have to write opposite word for the given word. Then Pulling Shabda. I told in the class also that in the glossary, whatever the words are given, noun especially, in the noun, some nouns are of pulling, means muscular, some are masculine, some are feminine, and some are neuter. Here, whatever the noun is given, you have to say whether it is a pulling means masculine noun or feminine noun. Here question is for muscular noun. Pulling shabda means muscular. Then utsava or makshika, that is one question. 7, utsava or makshika, you have to select one. What is the pulling shabda? That is utsava. Then 8th one also given beside, mala or muni. Among this, which is the pulling shabda? Muni. Okay, you have to write like this: 7 utsava, 8 muni. Then napusak ling shabda means neuter gender, then of feminine gender, then sandhi kuruta. Sandhi vicheda kuruta. Here in sandhi it is very easy for you because 3 options will be given to you. Chala chalam idam, then downwards 3 options will be there. That chala chalamida plus or chala chala plus idam, chala chalam plus idam, or chala chalam plus midam. What is the correct answer? You have to write as answer. Don't only take only B or C, you have to write the answer. Sandhi viched kurus means you have to write the answer by splitting the sandhi. Don't write A, B or C. Sandhi yojata means you have to join the sandhi. There also 3 options will be given to you. From that, which is the correct, you have to select and write down. Then Vartaman Kalasya Rupa Chinuta. So 3 options are given to you. From these 3, one is of Vartaman Kal. Then you have to say Pravishati, Pravishatta or Pravishatu. What is the Vartaman Kalasya Rupa? That is Pravishati. Then you have to write 13, answer Pravishati. 14 is what? Samanya Bhavishya Kala. Samanya Bhavishya Kala, here it will be Kathaishyati. And then Yastan Bhutkal. Then Yastan Bhutkal, it is here Prarabhat, Prarabhyate or Prarabhate. You have to select what is the correct and you have to write answer for it. Okay. Then Adodattabhya Rupyabhya Dvitiya Ekvachan Chinuta means here noun forms are there, and from that you have to select which noun is of second case Ekvachan. You know that noun we have divided in 8 case and 3 number. Ekvachan, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan in 8 case. Nominative, accusative, instrumental, dative, likewise. Okay. So from these 3, which is the noun form of Dvitiya Ekvachan, that you have to write as the answer. Here some mistake is there in writing the question, but I am sending you an answer. In that question is very clear. Means the next paper, if any kind of doubt was there, we will solve. Otherwise, here what is there? Rekhankit Shabda se Krudant Prakara Likhat. Now you have to say what is the Krudant Prakar. Patum, the Rekhankit word Patum. You know that Patum is what kind of Krudant? Tumant, that is Hetvartha. Bhutva, then it is Sambandhak Bhut Krudant. Okay. And then again Krudant Prakar Likhetva is there. Prakshalyati. Actually it is not Krudant Prakar at all. Okay. At that time I have changed the question. If this time anything is happened, don't worry, we will see it. But I hope there will be no problem. But whatever the instruction is given, according to that only you have to write. If they told to write the Krudant Prakar, underline word, then you have to write underline word, and in front of it you have to write what type of Krudant it is. So here section A is over. Then section B. Section B, there is a Yogya Pada Chitva Rikta Sthanani Puryata. Means here Shatru Desh Saranam Upetya Desh Patita. And here see 2 fill in the blanks are there, and for each blanks 2 options are there. Charudatta Krutaparad, that is options for first blanks. Then the next blanks Sakara or Padayu. You have to select 2 correct words for filling the blanks. Satru, Krutaparada, Saranam Upetya, Padapa Patita. Likewise there will be there. Okay. Questions can be differ. So, but you have to fill in the blanks with proper word. If you are writing only answer, write only answer. If you want to write with question, write with a question. No problem. Anyhow, you may write it. Then next is Prashna Vakya Nirmana Kurut. Here in the bracket separately given, it may be happen that they are giving all the words in one bracket, and you have to select a proper word from the given in the bracket, and you have to place in place of underline word and frame a question. In frame a questions means you have to write entire sentence. Questioning sentence you have to write entire, not only the particular option which we have to use in place of underline word. For example, here let us see first one. Sanskrit Bhasha Bharatiya Bhashanam Janani Vartati. Underline word is Bharatiya Bhashanam. Then from 3 we have to select one correct one, proper one. Sanskrit Bhashayam Bhasha Kasam Janani. Sanskrit Bhasha Kasam Janani. Question mark. All these things should be there in your as your answer. Entire sentence with a question mark. Okay? Then only you are supposed to get mark. Then next question is Ado Dattam Gadya Khandam Patitva Sanskrit Prashnanam Uttarani Sanskrit Bhashayam Likatu. It is seen paragraph. With it will be taken from your textbook only. Okay? And questions are there and answers is there in the above given paragraph. You have to write here. You can see here question number 21 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have given the separate question number. So you also give question number 21, then answer number 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4, answer 5 likewise. One question, 1 mark. Answer is given there. Okay. Then Rekanket Padani Shuddhani Krutva Gadya Khanda Punah Likhata. What I have taught you in the class many time, that here whatever the mistake is there in writing the word, that we have to correct. That mistakes may be of ma and of anunasik vyanjan. You have to correct and write entire gadya khanda or the sentence again. Many times I said, but though in the second term also many of you have written only the correct word. Why you are not listening us and follow us properly, that I don't know. But again and again, how many times we have to forgive you? That is also a one big question. So here, please be very careful. Correct the word, correct the underlined word and rewrite the given sentence again. Okay? Question is for 4 mark. Then in section C, you have to change the page. Okay, whether only one line is used in the given page where you are writing, no problem, change the page and come to the new page for writing answer of section C. Here you have to write answer in English of the given question. There may be internal option as it is there in this question paper. So these are for 5 question and 10 mark. Each carry 2 mark. Then again one more comprehension is there. Sanskrit Bhashayam Prashna is there and Sanskrit Bhashayam Uttarani you have to write. So there will be no problem. But this will be unseen paragraph. It may be taken from any book of standard 7 or standard 6 or standard 8 Sanskrit or somewhere from other. But paragraph will be there in front of you. Questions are there and you have to read the paragraph carefully, read the questions carefully then and find out the proper answer for the question. Here also question number 28 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So you may write question number 28, then answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4 like this. Then section D. Section D is for the translation. Here question number 29 is the translation from any prose lesson. Then question number 30, 4 mark is there for one translation. Then question number 30 also for the translation only, and there it will be from the play. नाटक जो होते हैं ना, कि मान लो संवाद जिसमें है, वी हैव सीन अबाउट परम निदानकः, देन वी हैव सीन दौवारिकस्य सेवानिष्ठा. Okay, so such a kind of lesson there will be question for translate the following in Hindi. Here you are going to get one option. So question number 13, option 30 is there. You have to write answer of any one of the paragraph. Okay, because if you are going to write two, then also you are not going to get the mark for the second, because checker will going to check only the first 30th answer, not of second 30th questions answer. Then there will be translation into English, and it will be from poem. 4 mark is there. There also you are going to get one option. 31 is there. You can see in 31's option 31 is given, and then 32 is the separate one. Next one. So here section D is totally for the translation. Now section E is for slok purti. Whatever the sloks are given, from there you have to write. From there they will ask you. In exercise, whatever the verses are given to write and learn, from there only they will ask. Okay. Here also options are there in first and second, and then again first and second. Don't mix up the option. समटाइम तुम लोग कभी कभी क्या करते कि मान लो पहले 33 का पहला आता है और 33 का दूसरा आता है, तो तुम 33 का पहला लिखते हो और 33 का दूसरे लिखते हो, बराबर. तो ये नहीं है, तुम्हें ये फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ओनली, देन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, एंड देन अनदर 33 इज ऑप्शन. यहाँ पर इंटरनल ऑप्शन नहीं है, पूरा 4 मार्क 6 मार्क का क्वेश्चन एक दूसरे के ऑप्शन में है. So either you write 33 first and second or 33 first and second. Don't mix up. Then here टिप्पणी गुर्जर भाषा आंगल भाषा में टिप्पणी means short note. From on any of the character, the short note can be asked. Even it can be asked from the Chatak Shishu. Then about what we can say Chitragriva. Maybe about Dowarik means a doorkeeper. Okay, so any of their character you have to write a short note. Question is for one short note 3 mark. So according to that you write, if possible not, but write that this character is taken from, or this character is of which lesson, कौन से लेसन का ये कैरेक्टर है, उस लेसन का क्या नाम है, और उस कैरेक्टर की जो जो खूबियाँ तुम्हें दिखाई दी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यदि मैं ये बात करूँ कि भाई दौवारिक, तो दौवारिक में क्या है, दैट इट इज टेकन फ्रॉम दौवारिक से सेवानिष्ठा, एंड हियर द doorkeeper, he is very honest towards his service, and when he was guarding at the night, one magnificent sant has came and asked, tell him to let him go, but as there was a rule that during the night nobody is allowed to go, he is not allowing. Then even the person try to threaten him, try to give him bribe, and in many way he tried to tempt him or threaten him to let him inside and meet the king, but the doorkeeper was very committed towards his service, and he did not allow. And when the person tried to give him bribe, he catch him and told that he is going to take him to the master of the fort, and he will give you the punishment. Okay? So in this character inspire us that whatever the duty, wherever is given to us, we should do that duty with honesty and total commitment. So in this way you have to write the short note of any of the character which is asked. Here also you can see 35 and 35 is there question, and 35 in option of 35 another one option is given. So 6 mark question will be there for write the short note, and that short note you have to write in Angal Bhasha means English, because in the second term, though I said that there will be explanation you have to write in English, some ask me that in which language we have to write. So this is what we can say a foolish question which I never like to listen. Here whatever the things are there, short note, answer, translation, explanation, that all you have to write in English only. This is also, so 6 mark for the Tippani short note you have to write in English, and then again there is a 6 mark for explain the following. How you have to explain that I have given the examples in the previous term also when we meet face to face, and in the previous paper, during the previous paper also. So here this is the way of a Sanskrit paper. In 5 sections it is divided, and you also have to write answer section wise. I hope you understood how to write the question in the answer book, and please follow it meticulously. Okay, don't take it taken for granted. When you are going to write with sincerity and with due honesty, so that it will make you a nice good student. Okay, student. So now from my side I have try to give each and everything. If any other doubt is remaining, you may call me and get clarity. Please be at home, stay in the home, read and learn the lessons carefully, and prepare yourself for the coming exam. Thank you.